Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, the question asked is, oxygen was not always common molecule in the atmosphere like it is today. Explain the relationships between early autotrophs and other organisms on this low oxygen Earth. As we know that in the early stages of the Earth's history, the atmosphere was primarily composed of methane, ammonia, water vapor, and carbon dioxide with very little oxygen. So the early atmosphere was almost reduced, and this low oxygen environment was inhabited by various types of microorganisms, which include early autotrophs and other organisms. The autotrophs are organisms that can produce their own food through process of photosynthesis or chemosynthesis, and early autotrophs such as cyanobacteria played a crucial role in shaping the Earth's atmosphere by producing oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. As these autotrophs proliferated, they gradually increased the oxygen level of the atmosphere by producing oxygen as a byproduct of the photosynthesis. Other organisms which were living in this low oxygen environments were anaerobic, meaning they did not require oxygen for their survival. And these organisms, such as methanogen and sulfate producing bacteria, thrived in the absence of oxygen and utilized other molecules such as methane and sulfur for their metabolic processes. As the oxygen levels increased due to the cyanobacteria releasing oxygen due to photosynthesis, a significant change occurred in the Earth's atmosphere and its inhabitants, and the rise of oxygen level led to the development of aerobic organisms, and which require oxygen for their metabolic processes. This shift also caused the decline in many anaerobic organs as they were unable to survive in the increasing oxygen-rich environments. As an example that supports this relationship between early autotrophs and other organisms is the Great Oxygenation Event, which occurred around 2.4 billion years ago. And this event marked a significant increase in the atmospheric oxygen levels, primarily due to the photosynthetic activity of cyanobacteria. Thus, the Great Oxygen Event led to the diversification of life on Earth as aerobic organisms evolved and adapted to the new oxygen-rich environments. At the same time, many anaerobic organisms went extinct due to the increase in the oxygen level, which could not survive in those environments. And such examples of this is the deep sea vents and the underground habitats where these anaerobic organisms live because those areas are oxygen poor environments. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.